In this video, I will show you how to enable HDR on Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Windows 11 desktop. Now to enable HDR, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your settings. So what you want to do is come down to your toolbar at the bottom, click into the search box and just go ahead and type settings and then open up settings, which will appear underneath best match. Now once you've got your settings opened, what you want to do now is come across this menu on the left hand side and click onto system. In here you're going to get some further options. What you want to do is click onto the display option. It should be at the top of the screen, and this way you can come to enable HDR. As you can see at the top in the brightness and color section, we have this option for HDR. So if you actually give this a click, this is going to take you into the HDR window. What you can then do is come down. If you do have multiple displays connected, you can choose your display from here, but once you've done that, if you do have a HDR compatible monitor, you're going to see the option to, of course, turn on HDR from here. So HDR stands for high dynamic range, so basically it gives you a much brighter and more vibrant picture for games, videos and apps. So if you do have a HDR compatible monitor, just come across to this screen and you'll be able to go ahead and enable it from here. So that's how to enable HDR in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.